Yo guys, welcome back to another episode of Day by Day DBD. Edebia won semayeti, edebia won yesi, edebia won ayeden. Yehu. What I say? Hey, you go straight to the point. Ghana as a whole no. Ghana no hey. Yo nkrofo bi mo ha like omo ya debi wo hokora odwene ho aya wonte ase. Can you imagine say kaniba pa na say nipa pa wada sorry. Debi ara no hwe ni say obenya faso, obenya bibi, obenya no obedi. Amafo asora no pa omo asora ho ache omo dwene na ade omo beye ho no. Omo asora omo kwa adwuma e pesika gu omo botom no. Krofo bi no yet ho. Omo afuru no omo dwene ho. Accident BC Tema Highway no so. Sa kwan no so no. Accident isi pa. And before say meko video no so no. I fa advice yema so omo drivers for na say companies na omo ye dark and drinks no. Eye beer ne omo ye Coca-Cola ni those stars no. Atinka ne aluminum no. Sa can say why invest a lot? Nti investment na why no. Can we say who pay bibi investment no. Nti enu kwan say driver bia na wodi wo car na say wodi wa yi hye nsa say ana say o do goose man say on fan come am. Because this kind of drivers no cause a lot of accidents. Every day bia no uta hu say anye Coca-Cola car bia Heineken alomo and omunenya sa accident more. Ndu so kita sa kind of companies ni dia make sure say drivers na wodi o cars be sure monsa say omunko deliver wo goods ma wo no. Make sure say that drivers na ya professional drivers. Enya driver bi akeke. Enya say because of so here workers intino no obi akeke na wo de ama no. Ene car any accident wo Ghana for now no car any accident wo Tema Highway no so no bia car any accident na Ghana ni wanya adaje no wakwa tenase obi de kora twiri pillar onum bia
Gina Accra Tema motorway no eso aha na accident esia obi de esa no obi de enso eyeye na che se boys na bi nso around na omo bo club here Sunset Club for omo cars ni bi enso ka accident ne ho a sin ha boys no e bi gugu so out me hu say omo rebiankasa boys no rebiankasa ye mbem bi na ye ne bi so embo enkomo
my boy 25 me person boy 100 cry because I tell a lie we kon last hour we can wanje bi amo a no
onu me insanity say like wafa come on bro and see you timi su enyansa o soro anopa na soro kwana fa so obenya sika to botom and the most important than say wo dwene wo furu ho no afuru no ho hia ba so wo sika no wo botom a bia na wo pa gu afuru no ma wunya ema basia ni mema na nde chese nkofo bi ni de koro jimi pa o munsu nyansa no mu na agagina nkese so obi de kora so o person 50 bottles a day aboa company ni ode kwasia nti no obi aye investment si ya wa boka no ondwene no ho na mo ni kakra na wo benya no eno mo na wani ji ho yensu anyansa ne some of Ghana no systems no yetimi digu na kwanum na ya adwuma because of say DB say kurapu nke happen ya ka immediately na ka police for duru ho omkotwa ho hia enu kwan say obi akurapu no ben ba bia accident na si no nye say obi akurapu ben ho adibi say nya happen na enti adabia na ka say agbofo no mokwa ni mu san ye bebre no because DB say no senka ha say na abrochiri na esi ya nke ni 2 minutes any 1 minute Ubansa abrofo no omo de red cross ayi atwa ho nyina ahia danger zone obia no betima enter inside na campus kwasia bia tima kwatana se akase and a day no, me here says, me percent 50 bottles a day. Now say your papa company and Kawa Surgeman. Say, oh, papa company, Kawa Surgeman. We got what Tanasi, say, oh, person 50 bottles a day. Now 50 bottles no only lost our lost to. Nipa ne kana wa bona no de mo dwene ho. Na mo fruit and mo dwene ho. Another episode of the DBD Day by Day. Aya Queen Jonas. Queen Jonas. O was there sa guy no mani dwene ho because of say oye adwuma 24/7. The system is working. Grass in kwa oboduma but a year the biano osora no twa positive side untwa negative side e yes African yeso e ni bibia o anase etinwie etinguro ma anase eti village was o se Ghana no se ka se ekotwa estate a kirewa se ekotwa isle gonwa a kirewa ka won ka se no ha se ye Ghana kwahwe Ghana for mani memma ba bi o mu leave amanfo mu gu approach kura point mi leave sa o sora nda bia wakokotwa krom na grass nkoa grass 24/7 I know say abrochire there the system is working. I know the system is working, but eya no was so show positive side and what show negative side.
The system is working 24/7 hanyina nso ya abrochire Bronson ya wono oka obi nida onim sabrochire no ba bia ya okay 24/7 system is working. Jonas Jimmy I had you imagine now on snap asia ko jina ba bia ofa na Jimmy
na wa mama bumper anti me kasa krema so show positive side and what show negative side obi na call Browns e wo US o show chero hwe video no hono enye ba bia o enye ba bia ya abrochire no he enye ba bia wo nanso kro bia wo nanso nipa bia wo nanso kro bia no be ka so 100% da obia wo ni problem kro bia wo ni problem office nti egese ba bia na be ka say ena ho efenti no chezo kro ni nyina mu na efe don o sora na akọ cities no wa ko show eya no wa ko village no wa ko show the video na da so na America o Bronson no ena o show no so Queen Jonas okwa eya o show a no was no show this side no bi so amai enye da bia na nko de obi show grass nko a you got another episode of the day hey eya na ye misri say like oh yeah you know eya no obi tinchani so onima no di brain ma ban say ena government bibia ena mpanfo leaders ena say we need say fire service for expect the bia ya comprenia ndi munya madwe se mo besesa fire service Ghana fire service adudunjafo ndi da bempa na mo betena se a mo bekasa mu ye modwuma yi mwakwa ko to se kai shi mukwa kro na afi ni jana ahase watima gina ho eye ena ni ye twitu na ye say fire on fire doom say no mo twitu no mo kashim ena janso ni ma ena say sa amaka no full taxi obi ka wa hye da bokati fifira wa to na japade nyina no no de ko up and down anopa awia anumre odi hwe ne yere ne ma onya tena fie de kurapo na asema sifie motima hwe amaka ase ni ka ni nyina hye dwerebe enye se bia mu ni ho moduru ho mpo muduru ho ni ja na hye ase kito hwe video no hwe mfiti ase ye no mfiti ase no muduru ho ne ka ja na hye ase ahye ka na ase kito abi o bo mu gina ho eye ena na omukọ no mbo omukọ no basa amaka no jana fani nyina dwerebe se Ghana government o ma nani kosa no ma ye nyina ho nkrofo a ofom a o train omo as a security agent for police soldiers customs and a fire service for so otimi hwe omu ye enye obi akeke ne ese okofa no ne mo mama ne bokagu ye so da se man ni niska nso ne ye west niska wo nonsense ho sa sense ye bia ese sutimi twa ye kwa another episode of the day Yambo wura Nigeria me say Africa as a whole no yetimi ye no ma bia na like it too much but Nigeria dey broso Nigeria kasam as a country no onu timi ye ade bi e ma ne sene continent Nigeria as a country no timi ye ade ma ne sene continent Nigeria ni ba ni kuna nkasa wa wale no watimati te ni kuna ko dwala wi a opia wonten no wanoa awa ehyepa ahwie kunu so police wo ba yo mu bisa ne se die ntia odi sa aduma na o se da bia ni kunu no ewrepu no be ma waware no so ewrepu be ma waware no esena ewrepu because da bia ofoso no no da because of also no so no dance so wantimi a enye free na free hoko enya wale ni na ujai ne by force tintin na ese otimi din den ananse wo pɛ ne kora wa okuna free ho enye ba akumienu what time to several times ozi da bia of also so no beda of also so no beda na of also so no beda no hwenu ntimi enya wale ni na ese ujai na mo na ese okudi dem se na wasi di dem yesi ene na any time bia no kojo sending etai kam ozo de fani se wajimi na suroma fanu se wajimi na de eden suroma eno ano no na aka so obedi obachi a wonhwe a obeye na enye se woye yekwa another episode so yo Nigeria ha oni two face oni na sise wa chinjira ni two baba sa kwa no bo you are my African queen the girl of my dream and person my boss anyum no wa hasi because me born was on YouTube for omo ruso omo ahihye sese wo YouTube no udi akra on here wanya asem two face ne baba wanya 15 years ni baba wanya 15 years ni video another screen na ni no ne ba no say like omuma ni feel sad too much because osene papa too much osene papa nti always bia no obi obehia ni bia no obi san say o se papa do te basa na omuma ni feel say aso se be ma.
You look just like your dad.
People need to stop saying that to me. Like, at least say the female version.
Well, you look just like him.
Makes me think that I look like a man.
You don't look like a man. You're a girl version.
Okay.
No correct because I Africa phone yeah the adibia she 18 say oba ne ho etan bia no ese bema ba bema ne ho efe bia no ese oba ebu akase me boa obo hu se oba da bia na ni ma ehu bia no obia afra obo se wa yire ne body na ye style bi obo se obia hu no se awa go dey ase bema afra dey ase bema but bema obo hu se ne ho efe na ni ma sonson na no kama ne hwini sama ne body atoso no omuya ozi oyoba oseoba ndi South Africa saade na hye yitim ntire wa akora ni tim se da bia no so osene papa dodo ntino o think say mo kasa osene papa nti because eya no sentence no trase twen ho za say osebema because any papa you be man this was send it that means say osebema so yakwa another episode of the day no so Stone Boy boy beam so was Sunday another record asenya system no oko Ghana music ma onse Ghana no na yem population no and no so into the compare to different country na na okase eba music industry na say na ya na ye fane hard kakra ewo mu Ghana oko YouTube nipa otimi nya most viewers no Kwame Eugene nenwum ye drop ye open gate no na under 1 week otimi gina 1 million viewers ofiri ho no na ya Togo akwa na obo yebe sorry yebe sorry sa kumere kan for no that small boy no and ono so ne remes sa anyo ne remes and o do within 4 days etiminya 1 million viewers within 4 days and na otimidinya 1 million viewers na ifa for na frame ya me video omo njama me video yi abusafo yanto aso senete bia video ne ebeto aso so Stone Boy drop onyom me penny pa on ne ebo onyom no Stone Boy drop onyom within 24 hours that's a day what media nya 1 million viewers ewo YouTube ebinsi da ewo Ghana that's the record breaking now before na ya Togo na so Kwame Eugene start under 1 week and odinya 1 million viewers and ya Togo be break with that record no and on the 4 days edinya 1 million viewers and as Stone Boy breaking record no every 1 day that's 24 hours atimidi anya 1 million viewers nyato wase me fani video no na me de sa video na ma no wan kasa wako check it out.
Yeah, I go buy a machine. Look fresh, more fashion. Double the work with the more passion. Anybody test me more action. No gaba, turn up the thing, go gaga. They cash no gag bag bag. Foot out, person go follow me. Cause it's Corona.
Yeah, enyem na Stone Boy dinya 1 million viewers within a day na so within 24 hours no. Oni Vic Mensa
look fresh, more fashion. Double the work with the more passion.
Yeah,
anybody test me more action. No gaba, turn up the thing, go gaga. They cash no gag bag bag.
So let's go to question of the day. And then the video on the mean so today's question now of the day now. And then I'm a journal also now. So peace. Say uti video ni wie na so wo answer the matter question na. Ye then reply our comment section na so ho no. Say video now obeti no. So uti wie na so wo answer the matter question na. reply or comment section. So it's your boy Ajengo. Absolutely, definitely. Peace. I'm out.
Pamucho midindi na nakosia bwatba usia Sylvia. Pamucho brother yekasano. Okase masturbation ya bra. Oba na beima omdi omunsa ehihye omo ema omo asaniom. Na sama form on sansnom di omano ya pamucho enum se masturbation na.
Oh, man.